Ya aya Captain Kojo Smart fra wa free aye media general no eno ene nam so ama aye nana ya Brefo tu japa e wo ho na ensem a nana ya Brefo ka no abuzia wutimu se sabi se wanko bi afu ma na abeka se wonko ano sabi wo no baye se secret ne niam bi ahyehyehye ho no ma afiansa na Captain Smart enora 5th of May 2025 or creative from a media general no be na num to e kan ye no afiansa na nsem no eyi emodi na wonim se Captain ebe kan sa asem no ye morning show ni wie ya wo kan se wone media general eje adwuma eye pe e na wo call ye ene eye gift wo sei ekokoye interview ewo eye Onia FM so na ensem a Captain ebro so edigu ho no no abuzia enye easy Captain ye nipa pa na sansem ni mu no ena enam so ama nana ya Brefo so ene wa betuja ewo ho a abuzia ensem no emu orem na mepese o ka me ho na ye kokotie sane ensem no esibi koye na ya Brefo fire ewo ho no yenkone nkotie emu nkyiremu no emre sisi share video mu nipa bia da woni mu no abuja baby a wo hwe me bia wo haw ne amane kodan na bia da eda wo so bia no bomode se woni me bedi nkomo ye de samna nwanwaso bi aba ye fre ne se eye sika kokko na gold samna wo haw bia da eda wo so bia wo hia sa samna we se bi afi wo ye bema wo hwe me wo bema sam wo fo wo bema ye ketwa rabaji bula matali edro bi na wo bema enye kesi watimi abo adwuma so ache ewo empem ye de akwankyere bi aba abuja no ye hwehwe wo hyebrem a ye fre ne se mpelifo akwankyere ana se wo betima friend back to sender onipa bi ha onipa bi tata wato bet ewo ho se wo se ne tibi obeku bomode so be fa numbers ne go screen ase na woni mi akasa me hwehwe wo hyebrem wi a na bomode se me kire wo ne obeye
Captain, good morning.
Good morning.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you. That's it.
I like your new look. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Are then now you're so big now bearding?
I think I felt like doing it.
You wanted to change your look.
Yeah. You mean I was about the beer now? But the reason they were that for me can wire.
Okay. You look different. You look new. You look cratchy. And your birthday. Hey, happy birthday, my king. Hey, mine is also too personal.
Well, name about on the doors.
I know, but wait, this is like personal mine. Prof. Yeah, they're my wife. I'm producer, man. If I have Captain in the studio, Captain, I think I'm sure that you wouldn't come on.
And then the assembly besame.
A be higher than Edgeny.
They're here.
They say a lot of things on social media.
No, assembly when who be any besame because me and Cassandra no. A bobe and you 8 kwa. Me and my Facebook live. I'll tell my story.
Oh, story about your life story.
What do you assembly what to be able to what kind?
I have read a lot. I have seen a lot.
Just ask me.
I recent one. I mean, who your voice note be? I think say I check. Na lady be say now na your kono record there.
Why Erama?
Okay. Or record your conversations and any idea.
Definitely Rama.
And the recent one.
That's about. This was around 2012.
Acho.
It's 2012.
And it said they say current.
2012, and the long and short of it was that. Now, I think fire service penibi. Like order that. So now she wants to go and. As usual of me, we're having that conversation, but
no, when you're by me for
SMP and party chairman be now also shareholder there. I don't want to talk about because Nana Pinti, Onwane, Mame,
okay.
David Donto, right?
Okay, yes.
So when I came from Kumasi to Accra, the family decided to settle I'm saying, no, me, I don't hold any grudges. I'm done.
It's who on social media and say, I know feel saying.
Me, I mean, one manage you. You're boom, dear, and me, scout. So, some day, now, I video, now, me, who say, we ask audio, no be send your mom, daddy will be charged 20,000. I did change this caniba. You jam me, Dimbo, Pedem, Sika, Samon Coffo.
It's a modian homity.
Me, homety. Me, percent crop for bomb. Me, I papa where your money, I don't care.
Baby, what trust I
do? My try be careful, ne, actually, me do move on.
You know.
Oh, dear me.
Me say who take him on owusu no seat no or friend of LTV.
As some now a buy and I care about Katie Hammond. I think so one he got it wrong because only video, only original video, no, OTA from bloggers. As some I care and say, also Ashanti region, you know. Minimum Ashanti region when people politics from 1992, 1996, 2000, 2004, 2008. Eba hardly would you see an Ewe winning an election in Ashanti region.
Because Ashanti region is strong.
I mean, it's not easy, sir. Hardly would you see an Ashanti winning an election in the Volta region.
And you're possible, sir. Because
your region, or my regions in Yunu Nama Yebre, Ashanti region and Volta region in Nama Yebre.
I didn't hear.
That's what me pay the Yeku. So therefore Yeku no Ashanti no Yagbine. Opa check it.
That's a young modian.
And you go to car Afrifa. I mean, check.
You have a
voter, yeah, no, we are here. Voter, yanti, or my bra, ya braina, Kwame Kumamani, Hunina, Bessie, and Naya Timina, a voter region, Ashanti region. And look at it, they have taken us for ransom. NDC, a voter region, yeah. MPP, a Ashanti region. The region is not thinking about Ghana. The two regions are thinking about their political parties. Asante for joining MPP, I before joining NDC. So they are not thinking about Ghana, they are thinking about their political party. That's our problem. And to the American say, ebe ye ni ya say, ebe ye ni ya pa say, enya obia ne tu no.
Okay.
Aha. No, if Katie feels bad about this, I don't know, but I was just making fun.
Now,
doing. Me free.
No, me question me busa kwa ni say owusu ni sit no friend TV. O friend TV and now yes say ni say after that on an attempt okoye say.
Katie Hammond my friend says you obefa o.
Oh.
We MPP penny for Katie Hammond by obey Deputy Minister of Energy. I work for time. I saw Katie. So I know Katie Hammond very well.
So you know sir.
Oh, I mean, nanka obi a me huru ni say me friend no so a obefa.
Baby. Nothing that deep.
No.
Say them for yes say I don't know friend. It's not to me friend or cry no.
Yeah, me to me friend. And then in the me friend in the Japan.
Oh no relationship.
O twa me on the TV so me twa no ha. E wi na my friend we business of so me oyerepa na me. O koye na me say me kwa.
Na say nema na ekoso TV so enye that deep. After show no it's all that's it.
When him say Ken running for MPP flag bearership no. I went to his campaign office
to talk to him
to pledge my support. Mr. Ken.
Oh.
I mean,
and I'm at TV na chi hwa me see I'm in the bayaka I'm in the oya wo shisho me bayaka.
I come home the one me ya me pay because e be ma me credit am ton bebre no eso beti because man frɛ wa me waste this car.
But so do be na friend I won't waste this car.
There be eso no say wo ne ma yaka into waboa me saving cost.
Eso atete.
And then me see asem bia wahu. Bisame. When Bisame am yakura meka bia boa mo nya question.
Well, there's this one so me tell you Kumase there was this a rage and I mean fa kokro but we koye meet my laptop here aye. Me so we kaya.
Oh, it's a rage. Anya rage. Why a rage? I want to run about. Wo mu ko soro ho no.
Acho.
Achepa. Na we. Woni bebe ho.
Baby.
Sa.
There say me post no be say hey captain me nim no how me say hey na captain ho won sem mo abontin.
Hey, me dear. Me ko baby am Jim din o. It is all person on me nantia you must have a big heart.
And the tough skin.
Me sa laptop no yira no. na police commander no wa Ashanti region Tembela na Tembela na police commander wa Ashanti region. And I went on air and then we announced that my laptop was missing, because in that meeting I don't know what happened, there was a scatter and scatter by an uncle bibi anyu I mean no much microphobia that is, and my laptop was there. Me dane me say me chairman na
that's all
na laptop ni ho.
And no to scatter the buy na
there be scatter the bakoy me wie yan me no bi kasa say me chairman na me laptop ni say
na name also important,
but me catch any pa cross obi no ho betimi bia be say obi aso no ho betimi bia laptop no, so baby ajo flashes so you lose everything.
Oh, when say na important thing about quantifying.
Well, they were thinking say na me want information bi wo about nipa bi.
Okay. Babon tie be hard.
But means na sa admin ni meeting say me release any information. I mean this idea. Na how.
You are still tuned in on your 95.1 FM. My name is General Captain Smart and you're welcome. Today being his birthday, the producer said, why not come on the show? Let's have a powerful conversation. Captain, you've been a journalist for a very long time. You've been a journalist for a very long time, as long as I can remember. How many years now?
My first time on radio was on the 1st of April 2001.
24 years now.
Yes.
24 years. What plan on retiring?
Yes, of course. I'll retire one day and I'll go into full-time politics to save Ghana.
Yes, I'll retire at Nasia.
No.
Because you've done enough for Ghana.
No. I will retire from the mainstream media and go into full-time politics
and follow your dreams
to save this country.
What do you say the country needs saving?
Also, we all have to drink the Ghana blood to be able to resurrect this country from the shackles of hell. I say America for no more country ni moja. So when they are walking, they walk America. The Germans, the French, the Swiss, everybody, they drink the blood of their country. So they respect their flag. So when they are walking their country.
Now blood na dey no.
Blood na ye wojia to me so man hu hia cheme
religion.
Cheme anka wa umu na wona nam bodi nyina. It's not Peter mo wo ho, but wonam Antioch no. People forgot about them and they saw a different thing in them. They saw Christ in them. So they said that these are Christians. They are the followers of Christ. It means that they have drunk the blood of Christ. So we have to drink the Ghana blood so that when we are walking, moja na we muna ye jumano ebe Ghana moja.
You say possible.
It is possible.
Maybe I be true no.
It is possible. Also, adeba kwa yani say after the 1966 coup, we seen political leaders am lose trust our politicians. Mama lose trust our politicians. Enti akwai to say besin nekra ofa fade kufo ye ina to chen ukase kufo mra be di president ubenyo obi obeka cho say David because of you say people have lost trust in politicians because of how our man managed this country after the 1966 coup. Okay, ABC ene you know say ama trust and sheda ni ho enti Ghana for the hina to aba enyo man say o man be
ye president not just na ya to yi na
enti say wahwe ne ye pa Ghana for nye say o man no say na ye be ye no say na ye be ye no say na ye to aba o say wadi bi a
sorry no be
so be enti Ghana for mfa o man ye yo no to aba because of how our politicians behave no man manage the country no enti no I say won afre yen ko
yeah bro
just get out from here. So
it's possible.
No, it's gone beyond possibility. It is smartly doable.
Captain Smart, or life in politics. What do you do for fun?
What I do for fun? For reading, singing.
You sing?
I sing.
Gospel songs today. I know say all of these.
All right. Thank you. So what we have to do now, and say, Obia or Omemo Habia on D 55 and above, no. As I said, Omagana Prano.
There's a youth, no?
Yes. I say Magana D Mudem. All right. Ghana and D Mudema will not be able to save this country. All the young guys that enter into politics in Yunano, they end up being more corrupt than the old people that appointed them.
So I say, I'm coming to politics. Then is a captain. I'm coming in politics.
Oh yes, because and I'm a cancer. For time, I was going to be the youngest MC. At Trinjanche. Had my own ideas. When it came to Nanado, several appointments, I said no.
Now Okondo.
The only thing I know me pesa me ya and say me buani in ambulances, and Nanado did well on that score. You can't take it away from him. We were presenting only 100. On one increase ya they could do over 300 ambulances. Backup of about 25. Yeah, and no, Akufado did extremely well. You can't take it away from him. All right. And one says this here, there's a soup of journalists to serve in this administration. Me, I don't want any position.
No,
I don't want any position. You see, my maintenance radio and TV so.
And I'm person be show bias.
Na yes, and some tell me shanty bias.
But just some person be show bias or politics side.
No. That's how show bias. Even the president is under the Council of State. Or go who you bit me impeach no. So even the president is under somebody. But you see, say ohun sorry ya. Yan secretary ntwa Eti you do baby as say ma we no. So back to your question. I pick a book and all that I can do is to read. But unfortunately 90% of my books are all political books. Yes. It's unfortunate though.
So unya cry nyum no kwanka beti politics songs.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, Bobby ma wan kan no kwana beti.
Kan no kra mitimi bo nanado MPP nyumbi no. No, you will not tell me by. First, I don't want to be me come. And then I separate the what's name came to see me bama.
So all your life is politics.
Well, because I was born a politician. I was not born a broadcaster. My first coming I was a politician. Second coming I was a politician. Third time I'm a politician. I was born into politics. That's why I keep telling my mom, say I don't belong to my mom. Yes, me, I'm a walking sacrifice. I belong to this country. And se Ghana for Pubia Yikunu Sisi Trinity na yedine muja. A war mine panya be year. I am ready to offer myself today on my birthday. Kill me, drain my blood, inject it. Nagana nyeye. That's all. I'm just one person. Who am I? If I'm no more and on my be year, what is it? It's so disheartening. Say Obia Okuta degree, Obia Okuta master's degree. Now we're university, not otifie.
No,
you ask yourself that when a lot of graduates are asking themselves these questions, when then when rather na a year a futuristic question that plants and implants hope. No, right now if a Ghanaian is asking when, it is premised on pain.
Then to say no, akonya, adaje. They say you're a very busy person. So be to me I set up a business, I employ for yes I did no.
Oh yeah. It's a BGS Group Media. Me say and me cancel. People think that yes at radios and TV. So BGS Group of companies is my company.
Oh my day.
Okay. Just find time and Google. BGS Group is my company.
I employ for saying
BGS Group is mine. Oh, go ahead.
Because I am surprised.
Registrar General. Okay, BGS. No, B blessed, G God's brain, S smart. Yeah, Juma Okrumada. And just about 7-8 years ago, in a a catcher said, and then I left it.
This is your debut.
Media.
But what time she said, I knew.
No, Joanna may and me goomins them. We've done a lot for this country, and I think we need to do more.
And no company now setting up.
BGS group of companies about it's got a lot of encrobata. It's about 14 put together. Oko Registrar General. They can pull
BGS
everything.
Your mother.
BGS na your mother.
And
was here.
Oh.
Baby was here.
And it's been in existence for how many years? 8 years.
Ewa kakra fine.
I want more workers now.
Oh, they know me.
This is the first time I'm hearing this.
Oh, I'm ready to cry. I check a cry. Sometimes they had to bring in President Kufuor. Then. President Kufuor knows nothing about BGS group of companies. Yes, I mean, in 2003, I got it registered, but President Kufuor knows nothing about that. So the people who wrote about Kufuor,
let's all buy media in 2 years now registered.
Yeah, Kufuor and BGS, then you do baby crano, almost the Fidelity Bank crab free money there, because all my life I've saved with Fidelity. As soon as Fidelity buy, maybe who you kumasi a doom, may I think the second person I may be account or. You know, there was a lady called Asabia who opened my account for me, and then BGS, and you know, some baby.
Then I'll be a company.
I realized, me call Duas, na me call Tasase.
Kenya
Duas, na me call Tasase. Na Messidai, Missy here by Maton. And guys, na omudi ohinen nkro for nechino. I realized, and yes, as a ton of sell, they deserve so be a juma busum so be trumaka. Because I dear China say, Ubi am better assassin, and I told assassin as a son, obey and day. And that is why I started BGS Furniture.
Two such as the furniture.
Mr. T BGS Furniture.
Carpenters,
now Pam, Namity call, now, yeah, Pam desks near the call. To be to other me company no more the chem so quiet so we a carpenter for big time nti me busumu na o take photo ya me car na me de bi call no mama me nkonya na bi na me so ma ton. So I got those two guys Ajimani was share mine that they should take over until we koje normal koton no this Ghanaweb. And then I said that I will not pay you at the end of the month because within the space of 30 days, you know, you cannot survive. So I was paying them every week. Until I agree to be a mutual 10 cedis. Meaning say every week be I see 2 cedis 50 pesos, and then I'll give you the money. So the best can be on. You have money as a man to run yourself and others. That's why I'm saying that your president to be an Adrian Juma, he should change the global norm. You see, and yet the BNSS will be here 30 days and see Trianica. Can we do it that every 2 weeks you'll be paid?
Or salary na yenchem 2.
Salary no yenchem 2. So people will stop borrowing. Yes, because say I understand said yet we are seeing and say the piano with your busuma ketua. You know, we will be poor. We will keep pushing over opportunities repeatedly. That is poor. See, poverty, in Grofo say a choice. It is not a choice. Society and system can make you poor. Papa ya ye gu ni banki, said uncle bank, but society and the system ni gu bank no.
And choice,
so on your poor. No. So poverty never levels. Ubi wa society and the system no be sheda e plano. No, I'm not poor, be rendered hopeless, be rendered useless. But it doesn't have to be so. Papa ya no ye ndru ya owuah ye. Your friend say, he said, come on. Na nyesa kama is so go poor. It was the system. It's your politics na ye okrum anyway. Ma kutako hobio. One who say, so we NDC ni NDC ba na odidi. We MPP ni MPP ba na odidi. It's floating voters no one show. They are those in the secular, in the graph, they be poor. But floating voters, no sooner cover by never. So you drew baby. We should look at say, I say don't get here or NDC. But so share a draining yanse was say don't get here tima. Multimedia politics, why the longest serving general secretary and currently the chairman of the NDC. There's something in that man about politics and leadership. Why can't we establish at the National College of Leadership and then put Asedu Ketia there as the vice chancellor? Why can't we do that? Why? You look at Dan Botry, very fine, refined general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. From the time I exited, you have vibrancy at the general secretaryship of the party ever again. Can we establish something and put him there? And stop thinking that he belongs to the NPP or this one belongs to the NDC.
That's why you're not party for banning US form.
No, US form. I mean, it doesn't.
4 years.
It doesn't make sense anymore. One we have former CEO, including Miami Sami Jemfi, NDC fear them pair.
You know,
woman echo
NPP for the Omudeba.
And I say a yedenya obibeko America ina buying sasa nipa biko. But there are strategic institutions like the national security. We keep changing national security operatives, and that is what is breeding armed robbery in this country. You see, when we hear security, who analyzes security data, and that's how we hear security and intelligence. There's something we call the plan. You have the plan. You go and you collect. When you collect the information, you process the information. After processing the information, then you disseminate. After dissemination, you sit back. Now if you watch it, no watch feedback. But NDC, national security for omuni inano. Therefore for MPP bebano, omuni na bekofi. MPP so ba, one for omuni inano so. Omusu inano, ombekofi. So we don't have a conclusive cycle. Even when it comes to security, we don't have a conclusive cycle. Our security cycle is always truncated.
Before you will continue politics, because I'm here, I wouldn't tell you about politics.
I'm into we don't maybe into.
Yamisha. Into from furniture now, yeah, then be from
furniture. I went into farming.
Okay.
Could be a more you want to find a free for who. Those more money. You know, I had a palm plantation of over 120 acres.
Yes, you have passion for farming. It's furniture farming.
Furniture farming. Then I went into environmental.
Nina, now what you saying?
Oh, sir, man, you know.
Because when you're 50.
No, Debbie. And you know, Kakra. Tina, yeah.
Let's only do 50.
Debbie.
None of for Air Force when you're 50.
Me pay 55. Na ye pia ko. You know, na ye pia ko sa kakra. So I was doing it, but it do
single-handedly.
Yes.
This is massive.
No, me buy bisa Zoom Lion. Yeah, you work kuma say yes was almost sublet. I buy a sublet. As I buy no Zoom Lion nankasa. Etetin kakranka. And my BGS environment was mine. BGS Environmental Agency was my company. They are Sabola, Eukufru, the Chemso, and those areas. They check.
Sometimes now we date. Sometimes now was Sabola, and now ono bao.
Oh, no, girl.
No, saying okay, say for bola semno.
Let me shut down Kosabi.
So now dano. But say they are a boy the bola no, the boy.
It is a woman peninsula no wager hoko.
Or quite found.
When him say this Sikabe we are a problem. Problems like this Sikabe ni paboto. Enye adwuma ye. Hwe say adwuma we ye say me wun na media general good there. Esu am besu na ye fake. Ade eche a ba jere so 1 week. Black mo be ye gu ho.
Let's only say genuine love.
Genuine love na way. I want to apart from Nyame, who can love somebody genuinely?
Our mothers are boyfriends, our wives.
Mothers are gods. Fathers are gods. Until you almost.
But so my loves you genuinely.
Oh, who be on the mama and papa yakada.
But still now don't know.
I don't know about what I'm telling you today. If I die today, media general be good. At today, I show the Omega send your issue statement at all platforms. So no more masha black. I beg you, man. Now we are born radio. So sa yinum sa no be on tie. Busa say then is say Captain Smart. And no one no. Mo de me kwasha da kam yedim. You see me here 1 week pepepe. We are quite a morning show presenter for company ndobe.
Genuinely.
No person under the sun is irreplaceable. But at every situation, there's somebody you can replace. Every human being under the sun is replaceable.
Oh, yeah, why?
But there are certain situations that there's somebody you can't replace.
Every day.
Say I'm to it. One for morning show presenter be ambaha obetwe bitimi. Ghana ha. Ye koye morning show ye find laptop unko ye fa book unko. Ye so microphone my was stadium. Ne my topic. There's no morning show presenter.
That's what it's morning show singing na
you can't.
No,
you cannot.
There's nobody born of a man.
You cannot. See, NTM won't mean Tim Chemi. Yan can answer, won't mean Kanya Saman Chemi. Yan Kadia, they won't mean Kadia than Chemi. Yan Yadia, you won't mean any.
That's a Benyas Assembly. I will be to
no man can
no more somewhere that.
Then Yana Saho, but a bad won't me. What I say, but my time between.
Okay.
And somebody will take over.
Because there was somebody.
Eh? I had a Takasa mini degree. Me have my first degree. I work Christian Service University College. Me with 2 degrees so. But people think I am
first and second one.
No. Degree me, you know.
Okay.
Me work communications, degree in communication and degree in banking and finance.
I know banking and finance.
Me necessarily yeah, because you candy for why you must know.
In 2 years for
that is why anytime you have a lawyer at the helm of affairs, there's a lot of thievery. And because a lawyer for your politics too much. Because when you're a lawyer, you need to president, lawyer need minister. Because they're always looking for a loophole to steal. It takes the auditors, it takes the accountants to catch them.
That's a lawyer for
that is not what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. One will say a lawyer for they are always looking for defending their own
all the time.
It's all one as an open as and panel your money or finding way. Accountability office now you be or castle for time. Accounting for why? Obia won DMP. What I say? Nanado is a lawyer, right? Okay. Obedi president no. He was always issuing statements defending his own people. It is part of the profession.
Your banking and finance for your own safety.
For my own safety.
And yes, open so your bank.
Bank no so bank for Niska.
O kon no.
Omuniska. Scanning.
Obu hanen scan ibu abi atade no na bia.
And I make you say
na ushim no.
Entade no cry afa mu free. Om te say my multi radio ni TV so. Montade inside ya de mamo. Say montimi label ni free mu. Na mo wia na mo de akoma mo no mo asan.
And the label mu mate.
Say what you say. So me yeah communications no me share one professor be the friend Professor Charles Mafo OKayFM no can say me sure say if you have to do something don't just do it, die with it. Yes, mantiase say if you have to do something. Professor Charles Mafo ya pon lectures me because some of my had the torchlight in the true exams phones so touch in the true exams.
And I like to know.
Near Dumkania.
Okay.
See, yes, intro. Me koka wa aircrama. Omu holding me certificate for a very long time. I want to see my good school and I'm saying, na can't hear no. That's how I'm Fox FM. And I say, if you have to do something, don't just do it. Die with it. So this position that you have taken, don't let it go. Otherwise, we will call you a loser. But you are saving the situation. And indeed,
and indeed,
the following day, your true exams now you do Kaniano. You won't say next school no plant. That's why I mean the true exams.
I don't know, sir.
I don't know.
No, but you wanted the one person would die with the situation.
So I died with the situation.
So you have 2 degrees.
And I resurrected. Yes, I have communications from Christian Service University and Radford University, where I did banking and finance.
You have plans on furthering it?
I'm doing my master's in security and intelligence gathering. People think that people think that I'm going to school.
But when I
when you to me share that plan, it's a camera of waiting or air, so that you will not know where I'm coming from. But the right time I have to tell you.
Today is intentional.
I'll finish my masters and I'm running 2 masters programs at the same time. One in Ghana, one in Canada. 2 masters at the same time. What I say? So
bibia tutu.
So yes, me pem bibia kese o. When who say me sit dan bia, e dan bia esua bia say me de bia maton. Me do ko chopolia. Me say me di president in there. Me di minister in there. Me di vice president in there. Me declare my assets already so.
Yeah, first one me show.
Me China and come me paper. Oko chopolia obehu. Come and kesim obehu. Kokumasi obehu. Oba nkran ha obehu. Me dia. I didn't know usuro say obe declare o. Ade ye wo dia. So far kwan papa so nya, why are you afraid to tell the world say this belongs to me? I work kwan papa so not to despise somebody just say bia wo di bu bi enim tia and I walk. But o my who say we ye wo dia. The entire politicians didn't mean declaring in the open. They say omo ya no ma shada true bi ashu. Yeah, or what I know. I mean, I've been in politics all these years. Say a dine fifer. Now what 10.
I feel obe paka home.
Eti obe siashim. Obe kwa kofa paper no. Na shim no siaka home. This is what they do.
It was said and chilemo number no.
Eti so be declare assets in public, and I think it's a problem. I say I say asset declaration no yenya in the public. I am not say we declare in the public no be time or be kwa kwahye no. Na de otu fie no wan ka cho so do.
But say no on baba team chichiru.
So say it. Me wadan wo Tantra Hills. Me sit down wo Tripoli. Me sit down wo Mankasim. Me wadan wo Kumasi. Me sit down e wo Duase maton. Na ye dey.
Ba won kire ba bi e wo. Eno an say areas no.
Yes, eno kwa yen try specific so.
Say abro say nobody cares. The hand say waka say no ha.
Yeah. Onye. Oh, so you do baby a as I say titru youth no. Ano pay me can say me wo TV no so. Mami repeat it here. Sister. Wohwe yabra boy bo se emba ne emema ho. Woni ma de ehu pa wo ba ne be ma setinem. Eyedi.
Sebe.
Enya sebe yasem. Memfa sebe bia nka. Eyedi. Watch this. Memfa sebe bia and me to.
And to o de ka.
Edi enya kro no enya bone. Ni din so no. Ye krom kasa no. Ba me can sex and I love making anka we ni beje. Ka on ka hwe. No, it is the no. It is the sanctioned and built hypocrisy in us as black people. Yeah, there will be kasaka. Okay. You can't a sanctioned hypocrisy, and it is difficult to deal with it. Watch this. So we are ba. GH boy no da, Captain no da. Kwana kwame same whoever bi ane wo deda bakayoko uhwe ne tente na otum se de sisi mso bede na one wo da wa deposit bibi o. So women act as banks in relationships, but watch this, be me bia e won strength and bibi e won sperm. Eti me kind that day my beautiful niece was right there. Why bye when why do you say you are searching for the right man? You are reaching your grave. It's not searching. You are reaching your grave. Because obabi owa o so ade na adwen ye adwuma pa obeyini no na se wa ye bipolar. Aya bisasofo bi no mo nche sperms dodo akonu. And where those sperms are coming from?
It be an spirit attention.
I'm telling you I mean aya science na da yen kakra. I did physics, chemistry, biology. Ewo, Apam Secondary School. Hwe insuo na kasaya bem. Ya dwen ho. Me no da sesi na ma pinsuo. Na me de egu. Na insuo no etimi anyini ebenya kasaya nti wunsuru. Sister wunsuru sperm. And my baby life I say in a sperms. Just spirit be and do achi. Sperms.
Into what will you sleep with?
No, would you do jai? Teso.
The patron on me be back Captain ba. And your name you. On your name me I can't say
teso. A man so ho ye the bill but so babia ye banker. Once would the sika no kwa wo de kwato hen wo de kwato bank. Into sperm na once why bema will donate kono. Let me tell you one danger. nya bank bia na wodu sika koto ho a wobekọ na bank na date ho a won sabe kan sika bank ni bi ho abekọ na egu UT bank ewo he Jesus egu Royal Bank ewo he Almighty GN Bank ewo he me the example na kire nti se wo ya be ma na wo donate kwa e se wo share so say men's gold wo ho wo sika na bekọ akokam emma nti spam bi wo ho a wo be donate e bekọ akoloke emfa hwemrewo so you do baby we need to reorient.
Okay, there's omoka so pema no mo boa.
Adaje. Me ni me ma do ehu me nakedness so. Mo mo ka me manage wo pema o.
Omo se captain pema.
Manage wo na ye bone. Why na ne papa penua? Chebo bi ne papa openua. Why na ne papa yiri eye sebe onyina. Obi na ne papa yiri ye onua onyina o sebe. So that's it. Sometimes allow the people to talk because you see, when you get to the top, you become the